Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you had ever had to design an effective test, you know it's more than just writing random questions. It needs to be fair, reliable, and accurately measure what your students have learned. That's where the test questionnaire and the table of specification or TOS comes in. In constructing table of specification, first we include the name of school, which is the Mindanao State University, Maigo College of Education, Science and Technology, and then the location of the school, which located at Labuay Maigo, Lanao del Norte. And then on the other side, which indicates the course title, DCP 107 and 107.1 for laboratory, and the course title, the technology for teaching and learning. And then the bottom, the school year or academic year, first semester, academic year 2025 to 2026. And then the copies, and then the title, the table of specification for midterm exam. So I already have the format of the table, and then fill in that first row as the components is the content area, the number of recitation days or hours, percentage, the number of points to be constructed, and the skills of different level of Bloom's taxonomy in cognitive domain. So first we have the remembering or knowledge, understand, comprehension, apply, application, analysis, evaluation, evaluation, then create, synthesis. And then for the content area, we have the topic about cognitive domain or the thinking knowledge. Second, the psychomotor domain or doing or skills. And then the affective domain, which is more on feelings and attitude. We have the content. We'll assign the day or hours, number of recitation or discussing the topic. Then after that, we will get the total number of hours of recitation. The percentage. So to get the percentage, we have the number of recitation divided to the total number of recitation. So we have 2 divided 4, so 50.5 times 100, 50%. Then second, 1 divided 4, we have 0.25 times 10 equals to 25%. Then 25 also for the effective domain, and a total of 100. Next, for the number of points to be constructed or items to be constructed, we have a formula to compute. Divide the number of percentage divided to the total, and then multiply to the total points or items to be constructed. 50 divided 100%, so 50 divided the total number of 50 equals 25. And for that too, we have 12.5. In that case, if there are decimals, computing the number of items, and choose one that could be dominant to others, or just simply give the points on other. So now we are dividing the number of points to be constructed accordingly to the level of cognitive domain. So for test 1, 1 to 5, remembering. Test 2 for the first topic. Then number items you can only put must only base to the number of points to be constructed. For instance, the psychomotor domain, it only have 12 items for the psychomotor domain topic. And then let's total the number of items in each content area on different level of domain. Then compute percentage based on the number of points to be constructed. Instance, in remembering, 5 divide the number of points to be constructed, which is 25, equals to 0.2 times 100. And then percentage of remembering question 5 items is 20%, and so on to the other level of domain. After getting the percentage of its number items, then get the total number and its percentage every level of domain for remembering, understanding, applying, analysis, evaluation, and create. So in getting its percentage, divide it to the total number of points to be constructed. And also for the essay form, the affective domain, we have 13 points. So here are the different type of tests. We conclude creating questionnaire. We have the multiple choice, true or false, and essay. Now let's get started constructing a test questionnaire based to the table of specification. First, we put the name of school, location, the department, academic year, term exam, and for the course, code and course title. Have the instruction for multiple choice. So read each questions carefully and circle the letter of the correct answer. So first question. So this question are based to the table of specification. So it shows there that first 5 of questions are the remembering type of the cognitive domain topic. Here are the questionnaire constructed. Questionnaire are consists of different levels of cognitive domain, which is based on what the level are based on constructing the questions. That's all for the multiple type of test questions. So for test 2, we have the true or false questions. The instructions states that read each question carefully, write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. Write the answer on the space provided. These questions also based on the TOS, where the levels of questions are constructed according to the level of cognitive domain. And the last type of test questions, we have the essay type. So it is the overall process on constructing a fair and reliable test questions that you will assist to the students' learnings.